Discover a newbie-friendly, ultra-lazy method for turning 2 to 4 hours per week into $1,500 per month. My name's Dylan DeFazio, and in this video, I'm going to be walking you through a simple formula which I've been using now for several years, allowing me to make passive income from YouTube. And if you guys stay to the very end of this video, I'm also going to be giving you guys a exclusive bonus which you're not going to see anywhere else. So now what you're looking at right now is the sales page to a product which I purchased about 2 years ago. Now this product, when I went through it, it gave me the information that I needed to go out there and start crushing it on YouTube, start making videos, and start generating income, passive income, because once I make these videos, they actually bring me in commissions without me having to do any extra work. Okay, I do these videos one time, you put it up on YouTube and rank it, and then the video will bring you in commissions day after day, month after month, year after year. Okay, so this is a very, very powerful method. So if you've been looking for something, if you've been struggling online, you're not really sure what you need to do to make money, I want you to pay very close attention, because not only is this product going to teach you how to make commissions, but if you actually purchase this product through the link in the description below, I'm going to be giving you guys a exclusive bonus. Now the bonus that I'm going to be giving you guys is a sales funnel in itself. Okay, this is going to be a sales funnel. The video that you're watching right now, if you click the button below, this is going to give you access to this product. It's going to take you over to this page where you can purchase this, and then once you purchase it, you're going to get a bonus which I call the Autopilot cash machine. Okay, now the Autopilot cash machine is a simple system which I've gone ahead and set up, which does all of the heavy lifting for you. Okay, I've gone out there, I've set up landing pages to capture people's emails. I've gone out there and set up sales videos like the one that you're watching right now to help sell people on the product that we're promoting. And I've also included multiple different income streams that are tools. Okay, now these tools are our landing page builder, our email autoresponder, and our traffic vendor, which is where we're actually going to get eyeballs to this funnel. Okay, so what you can actually do is, if you decide to pick up the Lindgren's Lazy Method, which I'll be going over the back office here in a moment, you're going to not only get this product, but as a bonus, you're also going to get access to the Autopilot cash machine for this offer. Okay, so if we go on this page here, it is a very, very simple process. Okay, step number one, I'm going to show you how to get your affiliate link. Now, this product is hosted on a affiliate platform. What this means is anybody for free can go through, they can request to promote this product, they can get an affiliate link, and when a sale is made, that person makes a commission. Okay, so that is very awesome, but a lot of people don't know what it takes to actually create a funnel to capture somebody's email and to actually make a sale. So what I've gone ahead and done is I've actually set this up. I've done all of the learning, I've done all of the heavy lifting, I've done all of the setup, and all you have to do is leverage what's already working, follow a simple 4-video sequence, and you can be set up with your own sales funnel which can start generating you sales promoting this product. And now I'm also going to be giving you guys access to my Facebook group, so that inside of this Facebook group, when I find new products that I set these funnels up for, I'm going to be adding the share code into that Facebook group. So this is going to allow you to not only get one product and one sales funnel, but this is going to allow you to get multiple different sales funnels, which is going to allow you to earn even more money. Okay, this is going to give you something that you can send out daily emails to your new email list that you're building, and gives you another avenue to create new videos using methods that we're learning in this product, and more avenues to get leads, okay? Because the name of the game is we want to get as many leads as possible, because that's going to allow us to promote offers for free pretty much, okay? You pay for these leads, they go on your list, and you can email them over and over. So step number 1, we get our affiliate links from Warrior Plus. Step number 2, I show you guys how to set the system up. And then step number 3, once you have your system set up, I show you how to get traffic, okay? So the best part about this system, and this is a 100% free bonus, you don't have to pay any extra to get this system. I could easily charge hundreds of dollars for just giving you access to this system, which is going to bring you in sales, and it's also going to pay you from multiple income streams, okay? So you're going to get paid from, if say somebody was to go through and purchase Lindgren's Lazy Method through your sales funnel, you would earn that 100% commission, or whatever commission, 50% or 70% that they have on the front end of that $23. And then on the back end sales, right, you're also going to earn those commissions as well. So most of these products range from 100% on the front end all the way to 50% normally on the back end, okay? So I've had some of these programs where, you know, somebody goes through, purchases a product, and then you actually end up making, you know, $100 to even $1,000 just from that product alone, just because somebody went through and they purchased all of the upsells, okay? So that is one avenue where you can actually earn. The second avenue is through the Power Lead System. Now, the Power Lead System is a simple tool, a simple funnel builder, which I actually use to create these systems and share them with you, okay? So I use this system to share and create these funnels, and the reason I do this is because with this one little code right here, I can share my entire funnel. Okay, so now it took me a lot of learning to actually figure out how to build these, and that's why I love this system, and that's why I love using this, because I can do the work, right, and then my team can succeed even if they are brand new and they have zero experience. So whether or not you are a tech guru or you are brand new, you can see success leveraging this system. Step number 3, which is also another income stream, right? The Power Lead System pays you $20 per month, and it also has some back-end offers all the way up to $1,000 commission, okay? So there's crazy money to be earned inside of promoting this system. I'm also going to show you how to build your Aweber residual income, right? If you don't know what Aweber is your email autoresponder. That is going to be the bread and the butter. That is going to be where you're sending and capturing people's emails, and that's where the true automation comes into play. Okay, so I'm actually going to be giving you guys a 50 email sequence for simply creating your Aweber account and setting this system up. And then step number 4, you're going to have your traffic. So when you actually go through, you purchase traffic, whoever is your sponsor is going to earn a commission every single time you purchase traffic, okay? So that is why I put this into the system, because everybody should be buying traffic on a weekly basis, and if you're consistently buying traffic, those are consistent commissions coming through, and you can have this from 10, 20, 30, 100, 200, however many people. It does not, there's no limit to it, right? You can have as many people as you want coming through these systems, continuously purchasing traffic to the point where you have so much, profit coming in that you can just endlessly buy traffic for all of these new funnels every time I launch one, and you're going to get access to all brand new funnels for free inside of the Autopilot cash machine. So what I'll do is I'll actually set up a video. I'll say, hey guys, this is the product that we're promoting. Go here to grab your affiliate link, and then this is the share code. So whether or not you purchase that product, you'll still be able to promote it, by simply getting access to one of our Autopilot cash machine products. Okay, so now that you guys understand the bonus that you're going to get, let's go over what the actual product is, because I want you guys to understand the power of this system. Okay, so Lindgren's Lazy Method is a simple, newbie-friendly method which is going to teach you how to create simple, very easy to duplicate videos promoting products. Okay, now these videos are going to be promoting products that are on Warrior Plus. Now Warrior Plus is the exact same platform which we're using on the Autopilot cash machine. Okay, so this is why I actually chose this product as the first ever Autopilot cash machine product that we are promoting. Okay, this product is going to teach you how to get passive traffic to these machines, because buying traffic is one thing, but getting sales from YouTube is 100% profit, because all you have to do is create the video. There's no paid advertising, there's no out-of-pocket fee. If somebody watches your video and purchases a product, that is a 100% profitable purchase. So inside of the back office of the Lindgren's Lazy Method, there's going to be your training modules, and then there's going to be your bonus training. Okay, so inside of the training modules, they're going to show you from everything A to Z, even setting up your YouTube channel, how to find products to promote, how to record your screen if you've never done so, right? If you guys notice in my videos, I don't actually show my face because you don't need to. You could be waking up in, messy hair and just simply make a video. All you have to do is provide good content and people are going to watch it. Okay, I find if you start putting your face out there and start doing that, it discourages people from actually taking action. Okay, that's not what I want. I want people to go out there and feel comfortable, because at the end of the day, it's very easy to talk, right? But when you have a camera looking at you and you're worried about, am I making weird facial expressions, or am I doing something strange, right? This is not what you want. You want to be comfortable when you're making these videos. So recording your screen is a very, very simple way to get past that hurdle and to start getting into videos, right? Someone like myself, I've been filming videos for years. I could easily throw a webcam on and make a video with my face in it and have zero, self-doubt or anything like that. I could just do it no problem. But when you're first getting started, a lot of people are worried, thinking that, oh, I'm not going to make a sale if I don't have my picture or if I don't have my face in the video. That is 100% false. My best converting videos are actually ones without webcams, okay? Because people will focus on your webcam instead of focusing on the content that we're going over, okay? So they'll show you how to set up your screen recording. They're going to show you how to actually get a review copy, right? Getting a review copy for products is very, very key. You can actually get access to some of these products for free and then do review videos for them, and then, right, promote them with the Autopilot cash machine. So if at any point you're actually going through this and you're finding products that you want to promote and you're like, hey, this could be a awesome product, I really wish we had an Autopilot cash machine for this product, you could simply go into our Facebook group, right? You could simply go into our Facebook group and say, hey, Dylan, this is a product that I think is awesome. Do you mind checking it out and potentially making a system for it? I'll review the product, and if it is a decent product, I can easily set one of these systems up for you guys and launch it out to the group so that everybody can benefit from it, okay? So that is one thing that I really, really love about these systems is, it's not only products that I'm finding, but if you actually purchase a product on Warrior Plus or ClickBank or JVZoo or anything like that, then you can actually send this to me. I can personally review the product. If it is a good product and it does provide value and it does provide actionable content, I have no problem setting up one of these systems and launching it out to the group, okay? So that is one thing. They'll actually show you how to structure your reviews. I still to this day use this structure for my review videos. I also use the YouTube description and thumbnails. So when I'm making my YouTube thumbnails, I'm still using the same formula that I learned from this method for one simple reason, because it works, right? You want to keep it simple. You don't want to make it too complicated. The main goal is to get the content out there. So they're going to show you how to start building your list with your video marketing, right? This is all included in this product, right? All of these steps. They're going to show you how to rank videos. They're going to show you how to find bonuses to give away. Some of these things you don't have to worry about, because if you're actually leveraging the Autopilot cash machine, you have the best bonus out there, which nobody else is doing, okay? Everybody is giving bonuses that, other people created, and they're rehashed and they're reused, but nobody out there is actually creating a bonus that shows people and gives people the ability to sell those products and make commissions, okay? This is something that you can go out there and feel confident and say, hey, you know what? If you buy this product through me, you're going to get an entire sales funnel, which is going to allow you to make sales and earn commissions from 4 different income streams. And I'm even going to show you how to get traffic and give you a private Facebook group, okay? So this is a lot of value for a $20 product, okay? Normally I only set these systems up for hundreds and even thousands of dollars for the products, but because I wanted to make this as newbie friendly, I decided to create the Autopilot cash machines and start pumping these out so that anybody, no matter your skill level, can start making success. So I want to end this video here. If you guys want to get access to the Lindgren's Lazy Method, all you have to do is click the link below this video. You'll either be purchasing it from me or one of our affiliates that have gone through and set one of these systems up. So make sure, click the button below. If you guys want to grab any of the upsells, you're more than welcome to do that. But that's all you need. And then once you actually purchase this product, when you go to, access it and log into your back office, you'll see a bonus, right? It'll be your buyer's bonus, okay? Now, when you click that button, it's going to bring you over to this page. It's going to bring you over to the Autopilot cash machines. I want you to make sure that you join the Facebook group, and then I want you to make sure that you follow all 4 steps and set your system up. Go ahead, click the button below, grab your copy of the Lindgren's Lazy Method, and I look forward to seeing you guys and hearing your success inside of the Facebook group. So thank you for tuning in. Again, this is Dylan DeFazio, and I'll see you guys inside of the training and inside of our Facebook group. Have a great day.